Ready to go SM honest review watch before using. Ready to go SM honest review watch before using. Most travelers get this wrong. They rely on expensive roaming or local SIMs, only to face coverage gaps. The surprising truth is that Ready2Go eSIM solves both problems with flexibility and convenience. Ready2Go provides global eSIM data plans for travelers, offering instant activation on compatible devices. You can buy short-term or long-term data packages for multiple countries without swapping physical SIM cards. The key benefits include cost savings, fast setup, and the ability to manage multiple plans from a single device. Coverage is supported in over 100 countries, making it ideal for frequent flyers, business travelers, and digital nomads. Most people underestimate convenience. With Ready2Go, you avoid SIM card hunting, pay predictable rates, and enjoy reliable mobile data anywhere. It's best for travelers, remote workers, and anyone who needs global connectivity without hassle. If you want seamless, cost-effective mobile data worldwide, Ready2Go eSIM is a solution worth exploring. Subscribe to the channel for more travel and technology service reviews.